Yun, nagbabalik tayo ngayon. So, hindi ko na pala tutuloy yung side quest ko na gagawin para makabili akong instinct. Gagawin ko yung sa second C. Kasi, first C, makapangit yung mga boss. Unti lang yung mga boss na binibigyan ka naman ng quest sa 15k. Unti lang. But, I recommend grinding in the grinding vice admirals. Pretty easy if you can one tap them. I don't know why am I here. Yo, I'm going to Fountain City. Dude, kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Just kill it, man. Stop using some shit. Oh, you're trying to PvP me, dude. This dude was trying to PvP me, dude. That's what I thought, boy. Yo. That's what I thought, boy. You ain't killing me. I'm basically higher level than you. So let's just buy some boats. But I recommend grinding when there's a boss in some places. Yeah, that's what I recommend doing. Yeah, I recommend you grinding with a boss that is in the spot. Just grind the boss, dude. Just grind the boss. Then you maybe will get lucky and then drop the thing that you need. Yeah. When I first played Black Sport, I was level 30 something like that. And then now I'm 416. Yeah. I know. I'm about to unlock second C if I'll got to 700. So titignan natin tong jungle. Baka mamaya may nag-drop ng food. Ito yung nilevel up ko eh. Yung tinulungan ko magkapera. Amerikano, Chikitarito. Nomi, Katanao, Misasiya, Geso. Chikisi, Katanao. So, hindi ko alam bakit ako yung baligtad kay Juju TV. Cause, you know, Juju TV, I don't know, okay, I'm sorry for if I accidentally said the name of Jojo TV, something like that. Cause I don't know pretty much about his channel. I just know he is the most luckiest person in Bloxport in history. Dude, I'm getting bad luck, you know that, cause I even cannot just find a fruit that is a legendary, rare, in the flipping fruit spawn. I only get uncommons, commons, yeah, even rolling fruit. There's like 2% chance that I can get a flipping mythical. Cause first on the event, I got the flipping mythical Yeti. And then, before the event ends, I think so, or I am in the middle, I roll the fruit and then I change my fruit right to flipping light. And then I roll again and I see a flipping Yeti again. And then this happens. I rolled and then I got another light. If I got another light, I will just give it to my my Renzo friend need or add friend you. Oregano. I forgot magma. Sheesh, dude. Sheesh. I ain't giving it to no one. I love magma, you know that. Yo, my bounty poster. Oh, now my bounty got up. Yo. Oh, graveyard is about to spawn in 1 hour. Oh. Somebody's literally... Wait. So, sinabi ko sa kanya yan. Wait, come on. Hi. Okay. Naka-like ka na pala. Dude, if you try to kill me right now, I'll kill you with no mercy. I'm gonna just show him this. What B? Okay guys, hindi ko alam kung ano tinay. What did you get? What fruit to do? What fruit to do? Forgot. So, isi-server hop na natin yung boss kasi di-joinan ko pa si Renzo dito. Oregano. Oh no. Or C1, C5. No, tiro. Maybe after this, guys, pupunta ako sa... parang kay Renzo to. Ascension. Awaken our Z ability. Fragments. Fragments. Medianoche. Build start. Come on, this is the bounty hunting right now. That dude is bounty hunting me. Oh, somebody's using magma. Come on, dude. Nah, I'm gonna just join to another server. That dude is rage baiting somebody right now. I hate it when for players always rage bait people that is just flipping minding their business. Dude, I was like gonna grind this thing. Then bro just magma light Yeti bro Yeti didn't even touch the thing. What if there is no cooldown in this game on their fruits? Maybe Articlop is the most spammable fruit. Ice. Everything is gonna be spammable. M1, nah dude. M1 is already spammable. Not the fruit, okay? What just happened? Yo, dude, something just glitched out in the server. Oregano, chica. See? Yo, mga servers hack. Kamali. Ito lang isa. Ito na tayo. Oh yeah. Monkey D. Luffy. Lay. Hey. Hindi ako naman. The best island to flipping grind, guys, is the prison. Guys, there is 3 boss in there in one island. Opera shipping kalapay. Then it's up, and then 2 can drop boss drop. Then bagus. Singing a club. Man, our friends. So if you kill that thing, thank you, by the way. Ano yung mag-table for me? Ay, thank you. Thank you, dude. Thank you. There is one, there's Gary. Maybe not. lang guys. Oh. Okay guys, I was thinking about this part. There's 3 types of fruit that is in Blox Fruit. There is the natural, elemental, and beast type. What is the beast type and what is a fruit that is a beast type and then a elemental at the same time? Nothing, right? If you said gas, no. Gas is elemental. Same as smoke. Oh, hell no, guys. Hey, at least I got a rare. Yo. Nakuha ko guys, ang pangit, sayang. Dami mythical, nandun na yung tiger. Sabi ko, tiger! Si Ghost pumunta. Di ko nga alam kung ano katabi ng ghost eh. Alimutan ko. Check ko na lang yung view mamaya. I was about to give it to Renzo. And I didn't expect that to my friend to run away. That is all it. Bye.